Hey guys, welcome back to Faithful Keto Kitchen, and today we're going to do another review, and today it's going to be a unveiling actually of the Keto Krate, and this is a lot of yummy stuff. Especially it's great if you like to try out different types of snacks or find out about different snacks if you're on a keto friendly diet, low carb diet, sugar free. It's amazing to be able to do that and look at different snacks and try them and taste test them before you have to commit to buying them at the store or order them online. So this, if you don't know what a Keto Krate is, it is a box that's sent to you like a subscription box, or you can just purchase one or two and see if you enjoy it. But it's a box where it have a bunch of different treats and snacks from different companies all in one so that you can enjoy it. And it's keto approved, it says. It's gluten free, aspartame free, maltitol free, which is all things that kind of mess you up, and soy and sucralose conscious. So we're gonna open this bad boy up and I'm gonna show you what's in. This is the May crate. So this is one that I just got in the mail last week, and actually about a week and a half ago, and I kind of forgot to show it, so I want to show you guys today. So sorry if you've already saw someone else unveiling it, but I'm going to show you what I got just in case. So inside the Keto Krate, it looks like that. They always put some type of fun about their mission and different information on the Keto Krate box itself, which is kind of cool. It's simple, but effective. And they give you a little card that says Krate Club Party, and it just tells you a little about you can join online to be a VIP. So in this Keto Krate, this one has Catalina Crunch Zero Sugar Food. So this is a Cinnamon Toast Artisan cereal. So I remember having my Keto Krate in the past, and this one I had, it was in chocolate flavor, and my daughter at the time, who wasn't really keto, I think she had just started keto or just started trying to fill it out some, she actually liked the chocolate one. I'm not a chocolate person, so I'm really excited about trying the cinnamon toast one. So I'm really wanting to try this, and this one has zero sugar. And the macros in here are 4 grams of fat, 90 calories, 12 grams of carbs, which are 7 fiber. So, and then there's 0 sugars and 8 protein. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 5 carbs in there. And the ingredients are pea protein. This is their blend. Pea protein, potato fiber, corn fiber, chicory root fiber, acacia fiber, garum gum, turmeric, tapioca flour, sunflower oil, baking powder, sea salt, and natural flavorings. And they use monk fruit sweetener to sweeten it, so that's pretty cool. So it says it's keto friendly, guys. Gluten free, nothing artificial added, plant based, 0 sugars, and pea protein. So it seems pretty cool. I know that the last one was yummy to my daughter, who wasn't really keto. They are based in New York, it looks like. Crafted with love in New York City. I'm from New York, so hey, shout out. But anyway, and if you're from New York, comment below. But anyway, so it looks like it's going to be a pretty crunchy cereal. And the ounces are 9 ounces. So how many servings? So it says there's 10 half-cup servings in this bag. I don't know about that. I'm going to have to measure that one out because, just don't feel like it's that big. But we'll give it a try and find out. Also in the box, there is, Fat Snacks. So I know about Fat Snacks. It's a cookie company. And this one is a double chocolate chip cookie. Low carb, sugar-free keto cookie. I've seen these around. Let me know if you've seen these around. I've seen these floating around on IG, on Facebook as well. And it looks like there's 2 little cookies in there. So they're about the size of the palm of my hand. So it's not huge, but they're about the size of the palm of my hand. I don't know how much they sell these for, so you can always look online. That's Fat Snack. And the ingredients for these, well, first the macros for these guys. 2 servings in here. So 1 little cookie. I don't know if somebody can handle just eating that 1 little tiny cookie. But it says 2 servings, 100 calories, 100 calories, 9 grams of fat. Let's see, net carbs is 2. And protein is 2. So 2 net carbs. And they sweeten it with, let me see, stevia, erythritol, cocoa butter, almond flour butter, natural flavorings, xanthan gum, baking powder, baking soda, and more stevia. And organic palm fruit oil. So that's what's in these cookies along with eggs. And okay, I don't know, once again, I don't know if I'll be able to eat just one of those, because if it's tasty, it's going down. But hey, it's a cookie. So the next snack in here, what is this? Flavor infused pizzoots. It's premium Virginia artisan peanuts. Ooh, and it's sea salt flavor and cracked pepper. All natural, no artificial color flavoring, GMO, no MSG, and gluten free. So that's what that looks like. Pizzoots. It says Pizzoots peanuts, invented by the mad scientist Dr. Alfred P. Pizzoots, boy genius, aerospace engineer, and peanut pioneer. Okay. Pizzoots peanuts are infused with flavor, natural flavorings, and zero artificial ingredients. So brilliant, it took a rocket scientist to come up with them. For more Alfred's story, visit pizzoots.com. Okay. Peanuts, guys, it's a peanut. So anyway, the ingredients in these peanuts are peanuts, sea salt, ground black pepper, and water. Okay, so they're clean ingredients, which is cool. So I can't wait to try these as well. And the macros on these are 203 calories for the one pack, and it feels like it's about a half a cup in here. So it's not really like light, so it feels like it's a good amount in here. We got 15 grams of fat, 7.2 carbs, 2.5 carbs, and dietary fibers, 2.9, which is cool, and no sugar. So Pizzoots, guys, Pizzoots. I've never had those before. So here is the next item. Cocoa almond Stoker bars. Now, this is something that I've been wanting to try forever on the Stoker bar. A lot of people talk about them and say they're really delicious and crunchy. It feels pretty hard. And in this Stoker bar, it's only almonds, erythritol, chicory root fiber, cocoa powder, sea salt, garum gum, sunflower, lecithin, sunflower stuff, and stevia extract, guys. And it smells like a crunchy granola bar. I've seen people eat these. They say they're really good. This is one serving, and it has 250 calories, 22 grams of fat, 18 grams of carbs. 18 carbs? Oh, okay. 6 which are fiber, and protein is 9. I don't know. I mean, I guess that's like 11, 12 carbs. So total carbs, I don't know. And I don't know where maybe the carbs are coming from the almonds or something. So yeah, or the chicory fruit, because I don't know how much carbs are in that. But if you ever tried these, let me know. But this is a cocoa almond flavor. And it says on the front that it's 4 net carbs. But on the back, that doesn't make sense because it says total carbs 18, 6 which are fiber, that's 12 carbs. So how is that, and it's 2 sugars? So I don't understand how that calculates to 4 net carbs. Anyway, let me know, Stoker, because I don't really get that, and it doesn't indicate anything else in here that's deducting. So, okay. But Stoker bar, if you try it, let me know. The next, I was gonna say the next item up for bid, like prices, right? But anyway, Sun Biotics Organic Gourmet Probiotic Snacks. These are chocolate almonds, so more nuts. These are almonds, soaked and sprouted, probiotic enhanced, okay, and mineral infused. Let's see how they enhance it with probiotics. 8 billion probiotics in every package. Huh? What does that mean? Okay, let's see. So it says, Sunbiotic is proud to bring you probiotic enhanced nuts. Imagine a delicious and healthy gourmet snack with the benefits of probiotics. Our process begins by sprouting raw organic almonds and then generously coating them with the raw cacao powder, coconut sugar. Well, we shouldn't be eating coconut sugar. If it's keto friendly, coconut sugar is really not keto friendly. And our potent probiotic blend, which is 8 billion per pack. Most probiotics, I thought you have to keep them in the refrigerator, though. I'm not sure, but let me know, guys, if that makes sense. Low temperature drying methods are used to increase crunchiness, as well as preserve nutrients and probiotic potency. So the ingredients are sprouted almonds, the cocoa powder, coconut sugar, probiotic blend, and that's it. Okay, 13 grams of fat, 180 calories per package, and they're saying this package has 1.5 servings. Okay, and then we got 7 grams of carbs, 3 which are fiber, which means it's 2 sugars in here, probably from the coconut sugar, and then there's, I guess this net carb would be 4. Okay, well, I guess I'll give them a try. I'm not sure, because you know how I am, guys. You know, we have been strict keto for a year and a half now, since at the end of 2017, so I don't eat sugars. So I probably doubt if I eat this because it has coconut sugar in it. I know I probably shouldn't be so strict, but I am, because, you know, it's my body and I want to make sure I stay on track. But if you ever try these, let me know. They're called Symbiotics, and yeah, I don't know about that. So this one is Ketogenics Keto Meal Replacement, and it's gluten-free. It's a vanilla flavor, 5 grams of carbs, naturally sweetened. Now for me, guys, I mean, it all depends on the person, but I'm not one for like drinking my meals, like powdered stuff. And then I did like the keto, what is it, Goody Beats keto meal. I do like that because I can actually make waffles and pancakes, and it's very versatile. That's pretty cool. And I know some people use what's the other one? The Quest. I've heard that's really good, and I need to try that. But I'm not one for drinking my meal because I want to chew something, just saying. So yeah, so this one has a lot of tiny letterings for the ingredients. I don't think I'll be reading that, but just check them out on their website, I guess. And yeah, it's keto meal, just another meal replacement thing. I'm not one for milk replacement because I ain't trying to replace no milk. Technically, I just want to eat it. So anyway, this is Mission Meats. Oh, I heard of this, beef sticks. I think I had these before. They're made with 100% grass-fed beef, no added nitrates, which is awesome, and no nitrites. Okay, and this says it's gluten-free, no MSG, etc. Paleo-friendly as well, guys. And it's just beef, salt, citric acid, celery root, and just all the spices and stuff in there that you would find in a regular meat stick. That's that. Check it out. Yum. It's a pretty much a good amount of stuff in here. I'm just saying. Here's another item. I like Milkademia. It's unsweetened vanilla macadamia nut milk. So they take the macadamia nuts and make it into milk like how they would do with the almond milk. So good, guys. I really love this kind. This one is a vanilla, and it's a whole 32 ounces, 1 quart. So it's a lot in here. Hello, little doggy. Can I help you? Okay. Like, she can't jump up here, but she likes for me to pick her up. This is Leona, guys. Hello, little girl. Can I finish filming though? Are you gonna stay here while I film? Okay, good girl. So this is, don't let the dog distract you though. But this is Milkademia. It's really good, guys. It's clean ingredients in this. Give this one a try. I bought this from Sprouts, and it's really tasty. My husband really loves it, and I think I had made like I made an ice cream with this Milkademia. So this is a definitely, I will give this a thumbs up even when I don't taste it. Go get you some Milkademia. And this is vanilla. I haven't tried vanilla. I usually try just plain. And we have 2 more items in here. This is a yellow cake chocolate protein bar. Only 1 sugar, maltitol free, gluten free. Okay, 200 calories for this bar, 20 grams of protein, and its glycemic impact is low, it says, or 0, it says. So in this bar we have their protein blend, which is a lot of stuff, and whey, etc. is in here. They have unsweetened chocolate in here. Erythritol and sucralose is what they sweeten it with. And it's 200 calories, like I said. 27 carbs. Whoa, okay, it's 27 carbs, 22 fiber. See, I don't know, when I eat stuff like that, it kind of messes with my tummy, because if it has to be so packed with fiber, you know, so just kind of be careful with that if you have any type of issue with that. That knocks it down to about 5 grams of carbs and 1 sugar, 2 grams of erythritol. So yeah. Alright, but if that's what you like, you go for it. I've seen people on Instagram, they were eating it and said they love it so much, so I'll give it a try. I've never tried it before, but I'll give it a nibble, okay? It's still keto friendly, it's just all that fiber. I don't know. And last but not least, guys, we have the Dang Bar. And I've been wanting to try the Dang Bar as well. Haven't tried that either, but I've been looking forward to trying that. This one is a cardamom chai flavor, 3 grams of sugar, 5 net carbs, and 9 proteins, 210 grams of, 210 calories in this bar. Let me see. So sugars, I don't know what sugars they use on here. This one has, there's no sugar. Oh, stevia. They use stevia to sweeten it, which is cool. So yeah. So I'm gonna give that one a try, guys, and I'll let you know. So that's everything in the box. Thank you for watching this unboxing, guys. What I'm going to do, if you want to see any of the treats or any of these items sample, I think I'm gonna sample them on my IG account and let you know what they taste like. So just check out the Faithful Keto Kitchen IG account and I'll show those pictures on that. Also, guys, I'm going to put a link below with the Keto Crates, so you can go ahead and subscribe or go ahead and buy you some Keto Crates just in case you want to explore, because it is a lot of stuff in it. It's pretty cool. I think they have crates that starts, I think this was the Munchie one that I got, and it started at, I think it was like 20 something bucks, that's it, for the whole crate. So that was kind of cool. Just go check it out. I can't remember exactly how much I paid, but it wasn't a lot for all that you get to try and sample. So I'll put a link below so you can go check it out. And with that being said, I'm all done, and I'll talk to you guys later. If I get my language together, I'll talk to you guys later. And thank you for hanging out with me on this unboxing. And if you want to see more of these unboxings with the Keto Crate or even different boxes, let me know, guys, and I'll go ahead and buy it, okay? So with that being said, I'll talk to you guys later and have an amazing day. Bye, guys. Mwah. Bye.